Hey guys, it's Queen BRZ back with another video for you. So as you've been able to tell, I've been focusing more on the Honda Civic, but I want to start focusing more on my BRZ. So today I'm going to be unboxing Racecomp Engineering's new SUPERSTREET-1 coilovers.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too fast.
So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and do the unboxing. It's like Christmas. So right off the bat, I could tell that Racecomp Engineering and KW put a lot of time and effort into packaging this product and making sure nothing gets damaged. I also really love the color scheme, the red and the black, and it'll go really nicely with my Brembo brakes, so that's really exciting. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start off by introducing the rear coilover. So starting at the top, we're gonna go ahead and have to use the stock top hat for that. Going down a little bit further, we have a helper spring, and then going down from there, we have the regular spring. And while we're looking at the springs, I noticed that it does have a lot of threading, which is going to be really great for adjustability, so you can make it as high or as low as you would like, which is great because if you're about that stance life, then you can get your low car. But I mean, of course, this is marketing towards our daily drivers and our performance on the track. So from there, the spring rate is 340 front and rear, and the quality of the product is just amazing holding it here. And compared to the yellow lowering springs, I think they're both amazing products, but right off the bat I'm obsessed with this. And of course, like I mentioned before, the color is great, and that's what I'm so excited for. So really badass product. Good job, Racecomp Engineering. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and focus on the front coilover, and like the rear, it does have a 340 spring rate. Right up top, it does also have the helper spring and then the regular spring right down below. And unlike most coilovers, these coilovers come with camber plates, which is really awesome, and you can go ahead and adjust the camber with this little ruler up on top. So I really commend Racecomp Engineering for doing such a great job with manufacturing this product. Camber plates don't typically come with the coilovers at this great of a price point, and then the fact that they're manufactured by KW, you really get that European quality versus another mystery manufacturer where things tend to break, and I think we all know what kind of manufacturer those are. I'm not gonna say any names, but yeah, so I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, Racecomp Engineering. All right, so another really cool thing to know about these coilovers is that it comes with front lowering camber plates, which is really interesting because usually they are flat, so this will give you more room for adjustability, which is of course what we all love. And going down here, they are zinc coated, which is going to protect you from the natural elements and hopefully keep from rust building on your coilovers. And as you can see here, they are welded very nicely. And overall, it's just an amazing product. As always, Racecomp Engineering never fails us. Alright, so the last thing I want to know is that it's going to come with these knobs that you put it right here in the top middle of the coilover. And this is going to allow you to adjust the dampening to soft or hard, and it does come with 5 little settings, and with each turn they do have clicks, so you kind of feel it wanting to stop a little bit, which is really cool because I've never seen that before. It's my first time seeing this, so right on. Okay, so last but not least, I found this in the box, and I think this is called a spanner wrench, but what it does is it goes right in here. It fits in these little divots here, and it allows you to adjust the ride height, which is really cool. I just did a really terrible demonstration, but that's how it's gonna go. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for my unboxing video. Just by seeing everything up close and in person, I can already tell that the quality of the product is just amazing, and that so much time and effort went into manufacturing it for us, and I'm so grateful that Racecomp Engineering made it such a great deal for what we're paying, just by the way that it's welded to what it comes with, and you're not going to get another coilover of that quality for the price that you're paying, and I'm just so overly grateful to be one of the first to test out this product and give a review for you guys, and I can't wait to compare them to the yellow lowering springs that I have already on my car, also by Racecomp Engineering. So I really think that this is going to be the next big thing in coilovers. So I would not waste any time, and I would just go ahead and get them while they're still in stock. But of course, in the meantime, you can always play it safe and wait for my reviews and see how I like them. But I have no doubt that I'm going to fall in love with them, and I can't wait to see how they hold up on the track as well compared to the lowering springs. I'm actually going to be going to Autocross next month in November. So I will be doing another video and letting you guys know how they held up for me. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and do an install video next and then follow that with the autocross. So stay tuned for more of what I do with my car, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Until then, Queen BRZ out.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too fast.